Why do Chinese smash cucumbers for their salads instead of slicing them? The answer may surprise you and elevate your taste buds to a whole new level.
You will absolutely love this smashed cucumber salad recipe.
After cleaning the cucumbers, cut out the tips. With the flat side of a knife, smash each cucumber. Wow, this can be a lot of fun at the same time. Then cut the cucumber into small pieces. As an alternative, you can also smash the cucumber with a rolling pin and cut them into small pieces. Do the same with the rest. See? The cucumbers break apart into uneven pieces. They will release the liquid and absorb the dressing much better this way. On a plate, place the cucumber inside and season them with sugar. Sugar helps the cucumber to release their liquid and stay crunchy for a very long time. It's a lot tastier than using salt. Chinese love to eat cucumber during summer because it's a type of cooling food. It helps to beat the summer heat. Please comment below and let me know what is your favorite summer food. Discard the liquid. In a bowl, add the sesame seeds, garlic, shallot, red finger hot pepper, and red chili flakes. According to traditional Chinese medicine, eating a little spicy food in the summer can help the sweat to come out and cool down the body naturally. In a small pan over high heat, pour the oil inside and heat it up until smoking hot. Pour the hot oil inside the bowl. This is going to add another dimension of flavors. It's so delicious. Now mix in the Chinkiang vinegar and soy sauce. Scoop the sauce over the cucumbers and add the nuts and cilantro. This Chinese smashed cucumber salad is perfect for summer. It's incredibly tasty and refreshing. Additionally, I found meditation to be highly effective in calming the mind and cooling the body. Give them a try and let me know what you think about them.
This is absolutely amazing. It is so crunchy with many dimensions of flavors. I just love it. If you also like to make other cucumber recipes, check out the video right here. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!